Imagine you're standing in front of an ATM, card in hand, and you're desperately trying to withdraw cash. You've been waiting in line for what feels like forever, and now you're facing the dreaded invalid card message. Have you ever wondered if your stash card can be used at an ATM? It's a common question, especially for those who are new to the world of digital banking and investing. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into this topic and answer your burning question: can you use your stash card at an ATM? Before we get to the main event, let's take a quick look at what Stash is and how it works. Stash is a popular investment app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and bonds. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible to people of all ages and income levels. One of the key features of Stash is its debit card. This card can be used to make purchases at stores and restaurants, and it can also be used to withdraw cash from ATMs. But is it as simple as that? Let's find out. The main event: can you use Stash card at ATM? The short answer is, it depends. While Stash does offer a debit card, it's not a traditional bank card. There are a few factors that can influence whether or not you can use your Stash card at an ATM. ATM network: not all ATMs are created equal. Some ATMs are part of a specific bank network, while others are independent. If the ATM you're trying to use is not part of the network that Stash is affiliated with, you may encounter problems. Card restrictions: Stash may have certain restrictions in place for its debit card. For example, they may limit the amount of money you can withdraw at once or the number of withdrawals you can make in a given period. ATM fees: be aware that some ATMs charge fees for withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the ATM operator and your location. If you're using your Stash card at an ATM that charges a fee, it's important to factor that into your budget. Tips for using your Stash card at ATM: check your Stash app. Before heading to the ATM, check your Stash app to see if there are any specific instructions or limitations regarding ATM withdrawals. Look for Stash-friendly ATMs. Some ATMs may have a sticker or symbol indicating that they are compatible with Stash cards. Be prepared to pay fees. If you're using an ATM that charges a fee, be prepared to pay it. You may be able to avoid fees by using ATMs that are affiliated with Stash. So, can you use your Stash card at an ATM? The answer is, sometimes. While it's possible to withdraw cash using your Stash card, there are a few factors to consider, such as the ATM network and any restrictions imposed by Stash. If you're planning to use your Stash card at an ATM, it's a good idea to do your research and be prepared for potential challenges. By understanding the limitations and knowing what to expect, you can make the most of your Stash debit card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.